Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In this session, we will learn how to edit a profile or a vertical layout. So, we will close this by default drawing number 1 and access the file which was saved in the last lecture, that was lecture number 27. You can find it in the recent files or you can simply browse it directly to the place where you stored this file. Now, this is the profile which was created earlier. Now, in order to make some changes, we have to do some changes in this alignment. We can adjust it from here. For instance, if you want to move it a bit upside or move it towards the bottom, we get something like this. So we can do adjustments directly in this alignment. Or we can do the changes in the profile. So this was the initial and original profile which was called as natural terrain. So here we can make it static, hit apply and then OK. Now you can see there are these blue points and we can adjust them accordingly. In a dynamic profile, we don't get this option. So we can hit the geometry editor. Now we have multiple options. For instance, here we can select it PVI based. Here we can delete the entities. So here we can insert a PVI. So let's say if we insert a PVI here. Now we can do some editing from this point, like this. Then if you want to delete a PVI, simply select it and here you can see it's gone. Then there are a few more options, like here we can access this table and all the points, all the PVIs are there. We can change, monitor and edit any point from this area. So these are all the details. We can log them. We can set the PVI station, elevation and the grade out. Each and every individual point can be edited from here. Moving next, let's select again this profile. We go to Geometry Editor and here we will create a copy. For instance, we want a piping network right under this natural terrain. We will make a simple copy and create a new profile. Now this new profile has been created. But the piping network or anything that must need an offset from the natural terrain. So we simply go to this axis 1, profiles, and here look for that copy. We can right click and hit properties. Now we can give a specific name. For instance, if we want to move it negative 0.2 meters, that is downwards. Let's hit apply and then OK. Now we can select this profile and go to Geometry Editor. Here you can see this is the axis terrain profile negative 0.2. So this is the one which we need to offset. So we will move it. We will move all the way down with a value of negative 0.2. Now you can observe we have another profile exactly same, but it is at an offset of 0.2 downwards. This is very helpful in order to create some pipe network and few other things. Now we can adjust it again to dynamic, and now you can see there are no blue points, and we cannot adjust it manually, as this is now a dynamic profile. Now let's save this file as lecture number 28, because we were doing all the changes in the file which was saved in the last lecture 27. Once the file is saved, we can simply close. So this is how we can edit a profile or a vertical layout in Autodesk Civil 2022. Let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.